Hi, it's Tracy Stewart, and the title of my dissertation is In the Eye of the Beholder, Student Perceptions of Campus Police. Police officers are the most highly visible members of the executive branch of government in the community, and officers are tasked with a variety of responsibilities as they serve different agencies in various police-related roles, whether it's federal, state level, county level, local level, or campus police. Their roles vary, and public perceptions of them vary. One common view, however, is that police are essential to the safety and welfare of the public. The organizational setting and context of this dissertation is a college campus where there are fully trained and certified campus police with full powers of arrest, and they have a duty to protect members of the campus community. They work to enhance quality of life by keeping the peace, maintaining order, and they also do a multitude of other simpler tasks as well. The fact that they're located on a college campus brings about a significant amount of ambiguity with regard to their role. So this study will explore how college students perceive campus police. The problem of practice is that it's unclear how college students perceive the role, goals, and scope of authority that campus police possess. Students enter college with impressions about police based on prior experiences, vicarious or otherwise, and other variables. So there's ambiguity and lack of understanding, which has the potential to hinder the mutuality of this symbiotic relationship. It's through the cooperative interdependence that police can effectively protect and serve the public, and the public can achieve and maintain a good quality of life, which is what's important. Without it, productive police-community relationships will cease to exist, effective problem solving will be met with perpetual challenges, and the question of trust and police legitimacy will continue to linger. Campus police makes assumptions about student needs and approach policing in that way. Lack of true knowledge as to the needs and clarity of roles leads to ambiguity, lack of trust, and ineffective services. Coupled with distrust in the police, a lack of connection and understanding and communication leads to campus safety and security issues. Obtaining information will help reduce relationship deficits and eventually lead to more effective, efficient systems and a safer campus. So what's the purpose? The purpose is to gain insight into what college students think, why these perceptions exist, and what factors aided in the shaping of these views. It's important because a clear understanding of students' perceptions will facilitate the development of an understanding of the barriers that may hinder the ability of campus police to effectively do their jobs, build positive relationships, and really keep the students safe. This awareness is essential to effective policing and overall campus safety. And it also is going to lay the groundwork for evaluating approaches that police use to engage the community. The organizational context for this dissertation is a mid-sized institution located in the northeastern United States. It's got approximately 10,000 students, not a particularly diverse group of students, and it's located in suburban rural setting. There's the demographic breakdown. You can see that it's primarily Caucasian. So the theoretical framework for this study was evolved from existing research on views about trust, acceptance, and authority. Police in any community embody authority. The way in which individuals view and react to authority and their rules tends to be based on the level of trust, respect, and belief in that authority. In this research study, the primary purpose was to explain the relevance of these theories and how trust, acceptance, and views on authority are connected to the focus of the study. The theory of authority, conflict theory, and Maslow's hierarchy of needs are referenced within the literature review as being directly related to various components of the research. However, the main theoretical foundation of this research study was social learning theory. In social learning theory, people learn through what they see and hear both directly and indirectly. According to Bandura in 1962, individuals acquire information through first-person experiences, vicarious experiences, and very much through observation. It's through this process that learning diverse opinions, attitudes, and feelings are formed, sometimes yielding negative attitudes and reactions from members of certain demographical groups based on what they've seen. The research is clear that individuals acquire knowledge and perceive people and situations in different ways, though. Taking these varied lenses into account, individual attitudes towards police vary greatly. And based on college level students, Maslow's hierarchy of needs came in as being connected in regards to the development of their needs. Conflict theory was touched upon with regard to the various race groups within the literature review. And the theory of authority was where police were legitimized by certain individuals or certain groups because of customs or charisma of a particular officer, or just by way of their governmental status. So the research questions for this study, the first one was, what impressions of police did college students hold prior to entering college? Research question 2 is, what is the current state of relationships between campus police and students enrolled at a large public university? The sub-question was, what are college students' perceptions of campus police as a resource? To what extent do college students feel protected by campus police? Do college students think there is transparency between the police and college students? And how do college students categorize their interactions with police? As generally cordial or more authority-based? Addressing this information deficit will facilitate open lines of communication, trust and transparency between students and campus police. That's going to help lay the groundwork for closing the gap between campus community needs and campus police actions. Now, despite the fact that this is a cross-sectional study, these contributions will still exist. It will also contribute to determining how these college students viewed police prior to college, since entering college, and some of the contributing factors as to these perceptions based on their age, gender, race, and college educational level, which is the ANOVA analysis, which comes into Chapter 3.